we are the Claires, and it is amazing to be back. It seems like it's been ages, Claire.
It really has. And what better way to celebrate being back than talking about a brand new product?
Yay! We've got a new lens to show you. It is the fabulous 100-400 Telephoto Zoom.
Now, you've been shooting with this for a little while.
I've had it a couple of weeks.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, this is a great telephoto zoom. If you're a wildlife or bird in flight photographer, this has got to be a lens you take a look at. It's 100-400mm, so that's a sort of 35mm sensor equivalent of a 200-800mm lens, and the aperture is
f5 to 6.3.
Yeah, so brilliant, absolutely fantastic.
Now, I heard a rumour.
Go on.
You can use the 1.4 and the 2 times converter on it.
Both here, yeah, completely compatible with the converters. So if you think 800 times 2, pretty good, work out the maths, and that's going to be about f8. So, you know, when you're thinking about bird photography and wildlife, it's absolutely perfect for that genre of photography.
And it's weather sealed, so when you're out and about in the great British weather that we've been having, then you got no problem at all.
Got a few switches on the side. Do you want to go through a couple of them?
One of them is new. I've not seen this before. It's a lock switch.
Yep, purely nice and simple. It's for transportation. It keeps the barrel back and locked when you're moving around.
Fantastic.
So instead of having a manual focus clutch on the front, we have got an AF/MF button. So when you're shooting through the viewfinder, you can just flick that with your thumb if you want to change from AF to MF.
Fantastic. IS on and off.
Yep, image stabilization is built in the lens and separate from the body, so you can alternate between having the body and the lens on its own or the body on its own, and that gives you the option there. You're getting up to an extra 3 EV steps with this lens, so once you've paired that with something like an EM1S, that's pretty awesome.
That is amazing. And I hear it's brilliant for telephoto macro.
Yeah, the great thing about this lens is its minimum focal distance at all focal lengths is 1.3 meters. So if you're thinking about doing, say, butterflies or dragonflies, you want to be quite a distance away. So you can imagine doing those macro shots of dragonflies. It's going to be, it's brilliant. It even supports focus stacking as well. I've tried it, it's amazing.
So 100-400mm, that's 200-800mm equivalent.
Yeah.
And it weighs just 1.4 kilos.
Yeah, 1.4 kilos, including the tripod collar.
That's incredible.
Which, by the way, is Arca Swiss plate compatible. So that makes it even more brilliant.
Fantastic. Well, I can't wait to get out and try it.
Well, it's fabulous to be back. Thank you for joining us.
And we'll see you again very soon.